Hi, I'm Dr. Caroline Leaf. Toxic choices. You know, every time that you think, you are going to choose and then you're going to build thoughts into your brain. So in other words, every time you're thinking, you're creating an electromagnetic signal outside of the cell that actually influences the cell to make little proteins that grow branches, and those branches grow into thoughts. And those thoughts also have chemicals attached to them, and the thoughts together with the chemical form your attitude. So we have attitudes, a general attitude, like you can describe a person as having a general, that they're negative or they're positive. So you can have a general, someone who sees the cup half full or half empty or that kind of thing. And then each thought cluster in your brain, and we have trillions of thought clusters in our brain, each thought cluster can also have its own attitude. These attitudes, this combination of the information plus the chemicals, the emotional side of the thoughts which form the attitudes, influence every choice that we make. So all day long we're faced with choices, and those choices are influenced by our attitudes inside of our mind. So our attitudes are our states of our mind that influence the choices that we make. Every choice that we make is going to have a consequence. So if we have a toxic thought, we're going to have a toxic choice with a toxic consequence. The same thing, if we have a healthy thought, the opposite happens. We have healthy choices. So we need to use the 5-step switch on your brain process to be able to observe our thoughts so that we can influence the kind of choices that we make, which impact everything that we do. So it's really worth watching and controlling our thoughts to make sure that they don't become toxic choices.